Hey guys, so let's talk about different ways that you can repurpose your YouTube videos to generate more income. Let's jump into it because nobody likes long intros. So the very first thing that you can do is you can actually turn your YouTube videos into blog posts. And yes, you guessed it, we are going to use AI for this. I've actually done this with quite a few of my videos, and honestly, it is pretty easy. This is going to be great if you make a lot of like informational or like listicle type of videos, like I guess this one. So pretty much what I do is once I have exported the final version of the video, I like to upload it to platforms like Riverside, and those tools will generate automatic transcript for you, which you can then copy and paste into ChatGPT. I then usually tell ChatGPT to turn this into a blog post, and ChatGPT generates a blog post for me in like less than 10 seconds. And this is why we love ChatGPT. And I would say ChatGPT gets it perfectly like 99% of the time. Maybe once in a while you might have to do a few tweaks here and there, but yeah, generally it does the job perfectly. And then what I like to do is to make any edits that I need to do, add images, make it pretty, spice things up a little bit. And then you can post your finished blog article on platforms like Medium, which with Medium, you can actually earn even more income through the Medium Partner Program. I'm actually about to make an entire video about how to make money on Medium, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that video. However, I do want to let you know there are some rules related to AI content on Medium, so you might have to do a little bit more edits, but once again, we will cover that in the next video. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. Or if you have your own blog, you can also post that article on your blog. And especially if you're mentioning any like products or services in your blog post, make sure to add affiliate links because that is yet an additional way to generate income from that exact same piece of content. So yeah, it's like killing like three birds with one stone, three birds with one stone. Okay, I can't do the math right now. Anyways, on to the next one. So the next thing that you can do, and this is probably the most popular way that people have been repurposing their videos, is you can turn your videos into short form vertical clips that you can then post on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, all of which are monetizable. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people do this. This is probably one of the most popular ways to repurpose your YouTube videos. And back in the day, I actually used to hire people to do this for me, but now you can also outsource this to AI. So the tool that I like to use is called Opus Clip, and it is very simple to use. You can actually just copy and paste your public YouTube links into Opus Clip, and it will automatically generate short clips from your video. And the cool thing is that you can also use text-based editing, and it will also automatically add captions to your videos, which is awesome. If you've ever edited videos, you know that takes a long time. Even short form videos can take a long time with editing. So the fact that you can outsource this to AI is actually pretty awesome. All in all, my shorts have been a great way to attract more people to come to my channel and subscribe, especially for something that takes so little effort and time to create. So this one is perfect if you are lazy like me. Now, the next thing that you can do with your YouTube videos, this one actually has a pretty great income potential, is you can turn them into online courses. That is another thing that I was able to do with one of my videos that I created previously, which is how to land brand deals as a small content creator. So pretty much if you have like an educational or like advice type of video and you have multiple points, multiple tips, and multiple chapters inside of your video, you can cut up the video into different chapters. And what I personally did is I turned each one of those tips into a lesson. And what I did is I pretty much expanded on each one of those tips and added more information and more resources. Sometimes you don't even have to film yourself. You can also do like a voiceover or like a PowerPoint presentation style lessons like some people do. And pretty much what happened is I was able to turn a 10-minute video into a 40-minute mini course. And obviously your course can be longer or shorter depending on the content of your course. And the nice thing is that a lot of platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, which is where I host most of my mini courses, like with Udemy, your course only needs to be about 30 minutes long. And with Skillshare, I think it is as like short as 10 minutes. So instead of putting like weeks, if not months, into creating like a one big course, you can technically create a lot of smaller courses that you can sell on a lot of those course marketplaces by simply repurposing your existing YouTube videos. And this is also going to be a benefit if you have videos that don't have music in the background. However, if you do have some music, like with my course, I didn't really have the original footage. I actually found this tool. It's called Lalal AI. I think that's how you pronounce it. You can use this tool to remove a lot of that background music from your video clips, which is really helpful. So yeah, turning your YouTube videos into courses can be a really great way to generate additional income. And yes, it's passive. We love passive income on this channel, which by the way, if you love passive income and these types of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button because those are the type of videos that I make here. So yeah, but anyways, let's get back to the video. And now the next thing that you can do, which is another thing that I've seen a lot of people do, is you can turn your YouTube videos into podcasts. And obviously this is not going to be applicable to everyone or every type of video. I think this one is perfect if you have one of those like storytelling style videos. For example, I love like true crime videos, and a lot of true crime creators turn their videos into podcasts. Or if you have like discussion style videos, or if you obviously have like a video podcast or something like that. Or I also love watching a lot of those like Reddit reading type of videos, and those would be great types of videos to turn into podcasts. So I'm actually subscribed to quite a few newsletters, mostly about like self-help and productivity from some of the creators that you probably have heard about. And if you look at some of those newsletters, you can literally tell that there were some YouTube video outlines that were turned into newsletters, which I think is genius. And this is another type of repurpose content that you can merge with affiliate marketing that will help you to generate more additional income. So examples could be if you make a video about, I don't know, like top best cameras for YouTube creators, or top best investing platform for beginners or something like that. If you create that type of short newsletter, but also include affiliate links, that is yet another way for you to create more passive income from content that you have already produced and edited. Because you know what they say, having multiple streams of income is cool now. It's always been cool, but especially now. And that is it for me today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, if you like this video, you might like this one as well. So make sure to check it out. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video, and if you don't want to miss that video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.